In this video, I will show you how to add legal pages in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the website editor of this website. As you can see, the footer has no legal pages. I will first create them, then add them as an element in this footer. First, go to Pages and Navigation, then click on Add Page. As you can see from this left side list, we can create a privacy policy page, a refund policy page, and also a terms and conditions page. Let's first start with privacy policy. This is a template you can use. Just fill in your company name, for example, Ben's Adventures LLC. Your website name and email address are already filled for you. Click on Add Page. Your privacy policy page is created for you. To create the terms and conditions page, do the same. Go to Pages and Navigation. Click on Add Page. Select Terms and Condition. Select the template and fill in your company name. Ben's Adventures LLC, for example. Then click on Add Page. The terms and condition page is also published. Click on Update Website. Let's view our website. This is your privacy policy page. And this is your terms and conditions. To remove them from the navigation menu, just go to Pages and Navigation and drag and move your terms and condition page and place it here under hidden from navigation. Same thing with the privacy policy page. As you can see, they are automatically removed or hidden from the navigation menu. Now let's add them to the footer. Click on Add Element, select Text, and drag it here. Double-click this text and first edit the style to a paragraph instead of a heading. Now let's make it white in order to show up. Then write privacy policy. Resize the element. Place it correct and double click it again and click on this link icon. Now select link to a page and look for your privacy policy page. Hit save. Now we can duplicate it to get the same style and write terms and conditions. Make the element a little bit bigger and double click it. Click on link again and select the terms and conditions page. Click on save, then update your website. Let's view our website live. As you can see, our legal pages are hidden in the navigation menu and they are added to the footer. And this is how to add legal pages in Hostinger website builder.